I have an envelope here from Shop Disney, so you know what time it is? It's time for another episode of Come On Shop Disney, Really? And this time, it's a major Come On Shop Disney moment. So let's discuss this order. We just became D23 members for the first time ever on July 1st. And I made my very first D23 purchase. There was a commemorative set of pins for the 30th anniversary of the Rocketeer. I did open this envelope, so it wasn't opened on camera, but there was a reason for that. The original description of this item on Shop Disney website specifically states, comes in exclusive embossed tin. And at 12:30 this afternoon, that is still what it said, because I screenshotted this at 12:30 this afternoon. So when I received this envelope in the mail, I was sitting here going, well, I know what this tracking number is, and there's no embossed tin in this envelope. And then I pulled it out, and it was just 3 pins on the backer card. So I'm thinking, oh, well, they must have just forgot to send it. So I get on the phone with Shop Disney, and the girl, so polite, very helpful. She didn't understand what I was saying. I kept saying embossed tin. She probably heard pin, and she was like, yeah, 3 pins. Constantly kept saying 3 pins. We finally kind of got on the same page, and she's reading through the description from top to bottom, you know, limited edition of 1500, exclusive to D23 Gold members, and she's reading, and she goes, oh, here it is. Comes in an exclusive embossed tin. Okay, can I put you on a 3-minute hold, and I'm gonna go converse with my managers about what's going on here. Then she comes back and she says, you are indeed correct. In our system, which is more than what's on the Shop Disney website, it has a list of things that are part of this. And it says in their system, comes in an exclusive embossed tin. We got a whole, you know, return process going here. I got a shipping label, send the old one back so that whenever I get the new one, it will come in an embossed tin. And I have this in writing because first I did the chat and the guy said absolutely, and she in turn also said absolutely. I can guarantee that when it comes the second time, it will be correct. So while I was prepping for this video, I was going to do a screenshot for my phone so I would have it here, and I went to Shop Disney to this item. I was going to screenshot the information, and it's changed. Now it says, comes on custom designed backer card, but the original description of comes in exclusive embossed tin is gone. And I asked her and the guy on chat multiple times, is that a typo? Was it not supposed to say embossed tin? And they guaranteed me, both of them, that it was supposed to be in an embossed tin, and this one just happened to not be in the tin. This is a major Shop Disney fail. I'm not sending this back. I'm not going to go through the return process because it's going to be 2 months before I get whatever back. And it's going to end up being the same thing because officially on their site now, it says, comes on custom designed backer card, which is what this is. So I'm a bit disappointed in my first D23 purchase because, once again, I look at it and go, come on, Shop Disney, really? I'm interested to see how many of you ordered this item thinking you were also going to get the exclusive embossed tin. I personally ordered it only because it came in that exclusive embossed tin, which now is not part of the item. Were you disappointed? Have you ordered yours but you haven't gotten it yet? Well, when you get it, let me know in the comments below whether you got an embossed tin. I certainly didn't. I look forward to seeing if anybody has had this experience with this item. Put it in the comments below, but until next time, remember, no capes.